Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Telugu movie Shyam Singha Roy. Shyam Singha Roy is a reincarnation suspense thriller drama. Nani plays the double role in this movie, one of Vasu in the current day story and another is Shyam Singha Roy, the story set in 1970s in Kolkata. So the first half of the movie showcases Nani in the present day. He is an aspiring filmmaker. He's aspiring to make one breakthrough movie which can get him name and fame. While in the process of making the movie, he falls in love with the beautiful and gorgeous Kriti Shetty. Later in the first half, Nani is arrested in a copyright infringement case. And as Nani is trying to figure out what has happened to him and why, we are taken into the second half where we get to see the story of Shyam Singha Roy. So in the second half, we are all imported to the 1970s Kolkata. Shyam Singha Roy is a writer and also a social reformer. We can see him fight against untouchability and Devadasi system. While raising his voice and fighting against the Devadasi system, he falls in love with the beautiful and gorgeous Sai Pallavi. The final part of the movie, Shyam Singha Roy tries to connect the story of Vasu and Shyam Singha Roy. You'll get to know how the stories of these two characters overlap with each other, how are they interconnected, who was Shyam Singha Roy and what was his story. All the dots of the story are connected when the film culminates into a beautiful emotional climax. Now coming to the story of Shyam Singha Roy, there is nothing new or nothing special in the story. There is nothing like we haven't watched before. We have seen a lot of reincarnation stories which has suspense moments which are also thrilling in nature. This film also belongs to the same genre, but the treatment which has been given to the reincarnation story is fresh and good. The first half of the movie is a little bit slow and it has romantic moments between Nani and Kriti Shetty. We can also see Nani, who plays Vasu, getting connected to faded memories of the past or the past life. And when we come into the second half of the movie is beautiful, spectacular and a visual treat. In the second half of the movie, you can see the love story of Nani playing Shyam Singha Roy and Sai Pallavi. The entire second part of the movie has been set up in Kolkata and you can see beautiful frames of Kolkata. The last part of the movie, again, as I said, tries to connect Vasu's story with the story of Shyam Singha Roy. Now, speaking about characters, the movie Shyam Singha Roy is totally a Nani movie, out and out Nani's movie. Nani is a natural star and you can see his natural performance in two different roles. He gets two different shades in the movie, one as Vasu, one as Shyam Singha Roy, and in both those roles, he looks awesome and terrific. You can see romantic part of Nani and also a revolutionary part of Nani. You can see a charming Nani, you can see an action hero Nani. Nani can do everything and in his role, he is perfect and apt. Whatever role he gets, he does justice to those roles. And in the second half of the movie where Nani plays Shyam Singha Roy and when he gets to speak those Bengali lines, you just will get a feel that he is a Bengali actor. He is a perfect Bengali actor. In such a good way, he fits into the character. And when after speaking those Bengali lines, he tells, turning his mustache, Kabardar, visual blow moments. Now coming to the female leads in the movie, Kriti Shetty in the first half looks awesome, beautiful, gorgeous, and her romantic moments with Nani is beautifully picturized. In the second half of the movie, Sai Pallavi takes over. And it is needless to tell, such a good actress is Sai Pallavi. Her acting and emotions are beautifully captured. Her chemistry with Nani is spectacular, lovely, and romantic. While the romantic moments of Nani with Kriti Shetty in the first half is cute, lovely, and naughty, the love story between Nani and Sai Pallavi in the second half of the movie is intense, gripping, and yet romantic. You can see a strong, passionate romance between Nani and Sai Pallavi. The chemistry between these two actors is simply superb. And just like in all the movies, Sai Pallavi gets a beautiful dance number. And look at Sai Pallavi dancing gracefully to the song Pranavalaya. I fell in love with this song. I fell in love with this wonderful dance number which also has a classical touch, a Bengali touch. More than that, I enjoyed Sai Pallavi gracefully dancing to that song. Apart from that, since it is a Nani movie, you will have all the entertainment components in the movie. Undoubtedly, you will have good action. There are a couple of action sequences which are choreographed really well. Madonna Sebastian plays the role of lawyer. She gets a small role, but her role is good. We can see Jishu Sen Gupta and Murali Sharma in short yet reasonably good roles. And just watch out for Manish Wadhwa as Mahant. Again, a short role but a commendable performance. Now, speaking about the technicalities of the movie Shyam Singh Roy, I need to speak about two things. One is cinematography, another is music and the background music. Sanu Jan Varghese is the cinematographer of the movie Shyam Singh Roy, and the cinematography, the photography is spectacular and beautiful, and especially so in the Kolkata episode in the second half of the movie. Spectacular visual treat. The music is by Mickey J. Meyer. The music of the movie is not superb, but it is good and syncs with the movie and the storytelling. We don't have too many songs. Songs have not been pushed into the movie, but whatever songs we have are situational. The song Pranavalaya, as I already said, the dance number in which Sai Pallavi dances is the pick of the movie. Rahul Sankritin is the director of the movie Shyam Singh Roy, captain of the ship, and he has done a decent job. So, summing it up, what exactly works for Shyam Singh Roy? As I already said, Nani, and Nani is spectacular acting. His screen presence, his charisma, his style, his authentication over his role as Vasu and as Shyam Singh Roy. Point number 2, the chemistry between Nani and his heroines, Nani and Kriti Shetty in the first half and Nani and Sai Pallavi in the second half. Point number 3, brilliant supporting cast which has been ensembled in the movie. Point number 4, spectacular visual treat in the second half of the movie, the Kolkata episode. And in the second half of the movie itself, I am repeating Sai Pallavi's dance number, Pranavalaya, and an emotional climax. Cinematography by Sanu Jan Varghese and music by Mickey J. Meyer. Brilliant additions to the movie. They give shape, mold, and the backdrop of the movie. They enhance the beauty of the movie Shyam Singh Roy. If I need to speak about the negativities of the movie Shyam Singh Roy, the predictable storyline is the one and the only negative point of the movie. On my scoreboard, I would love to give 7 out of 10 for Shyam Singh Roy. Finally, I would love to tell that Shyam Singh Roy is a decent one-time watch. It is a good entertainment, time pass movie. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.